When you need to find content that might be buried in an email message, for example, or in a calendar event, even a task, the search functionality available in Outlook 2003 versus Outlook 2010 is very different. Here in Outlook 2003, for example, depending what you're looking at here, whether it be mail, calendar, contacts, etc., you do have a search field that allows you to find contacts, and that's all it does. You can type in the name of a contact and it will open up their card with their information. If you need to find content in an email message or in a calendar event, you need to take it a step further. You can go to the Tools menu and choose Find from there, or click Find right from the toolbar. Now this does give you a couple more fields, so you can type in what you're looking for and where you want to find it. Because we're looking at mail at this point, whatever we search for, let's say it's the word bonsai, and you can try your own with your own messages. Inbox is the default, but if we click the drop down, we can choose all mail folders or just mail that you've received or sent. Or you can go and choose the actual folders, but there are many clicks and many steps involved. If we choose, for example, mail I received and click Find Now, it'll locate any messages with the word we typed in, and when we click the message, we see it in the subject here. Now in Outlook 2010, things get much simpler. Thanks to indexing, search functionality has been vastly improved in Outlook 2010. We'll start with our mail selected and the inbox. So if you've got a series of email messages, you can follow along by searching for your own content. You'll notice no matter what's selected, you've got a search field that appears just above and to the right-hand side of the pane. So here in this case, we're going to be searching our inbox. And when we click in here, look what happens. The Search tab is selected for you automatically, and Search Tools appear on this ribbon. This allows you to define the scope, refine your search, and access options for searching. So let's say we know for sure that the email message we're looking for has attachments. Well, in this case, in the Refine group, we can click Has Attachments, and the list of email messages is narrowed down. Notice that Has Attachments has been added to this field. We'll hit the space bar and add some additional words. We know for sure that the person who sent us the email had 3 samples for us to look at. So let's type in those 2 words, 3. And as soon as we do that, the list narrows again. It's lightning fast. We'll leave a space and type in samples. And now we're down to 2, sample designs for review, sample website designs for your review. So we've got 2 of them here, and we can just double click now to see the contents there, look at the 3 samples, and they're attached here at the top. So it was a quick way to narrow it down and find exactly what we're looking for in our inbox. When we close it up, that information stays there. We click inside and just take that out by selecting it and pressing delete, and we can start over. Because this is really cool. In the scope area, by default, we're looking at the current folder, but if you wanted to look at subfolders as well in your inbox, you can include them, or, I like this one, all Outlook items. When we select this, this will include your tasks. It'll include your calendars, even your contacts. So whatever we're searching for here, we're going to see a list. So let's just type in something like the word sample. Right away, you can see we've got groupings here. In folder, so these are deleted items. Here we've got important ones. Here's our inbox, and you can see the word sample appearing in the subject of the message. And as we scroll down, we're going to see every single message, every single calendar entry, every single task containing the word sample. And we can continue to add additional words to narrow down this list. But it was super fast in giving us results. So if you wanted to use some of the refine options, for example, maybe we're looking for the word sample in the subject. So we could choose that and then type in the word sample. And this might narrow it down. Okay, it's a little bit narrowed down. If we only want ones with attachments, again, we can do that. You can see the list gets narrower and narrower, and we're going to finally find the exact message we're looking for, or Outlook item, which could be, again, a task. It could be a calendar event. You name it. Lightning fast search capabilities now in Outlook 2010, vastly improved over Outlook 2003. Click the Close Search button when you're done searching, and you'll be back to your previous view.